Hi, afternoon. My topic is about automation, treat about variable temperature water dispenser, TSU, mechatronics, UDD. So let's go. The first thing that we need to know is because we are going to use an Arduino Mega. That is because we need a ton of variables. Arduino has 54 inputs and outputs, and also has 16 analog inputs. Arduino needs around 5, 7 to 12, and top 20 volts to start to work, and the thermostator needs around 3 to 5 volts to start to work. This part is the sensor, and we can control the temperature through these buttons. Next. Now, there are 4 sensors that we need to use in this process, and we are going to use maybe just 3. The first one, temperature sensors, ES11-8B20, over here, as you can see. This is the one. This sensor is going to read the analog and send us digital read to the master. After we have the second one, OK water level sensor. Maybe we are not going to use this because we need a little big, like this. After that, we are going to use a proximity sensor, 18D80N. This sensor needs around 3 to 5 volts to work. If we put an object, this sensor is going to send infrared signal. After that, if we detect an object, the signal is returned to the sensor and send us a digital signal to the master. After that, we have the fourth liquid level sensor. As you can see in this part, this sensor is going to send us a signal when doesn't detect the water, or if detects the water, to control the water pumps. Now, the actuators, we are going to use a resistance. Maybe we are going to create a node, or maybe we are going to buy resistance. I don't know. The second one, we are going to use water pumps, around 3 or 4 water pumps. We need to support -5 Celsius to 60 Celsius, or use for water pumps around -5 Celsius to 110 Celsius. Then we have the Peltier cell. You can see this is Peltier cell Tech 1 12710. The Peltier cell is going to freezing for this side, and then another side is going to free a ton of heat. Then we have the relay to control the turn off and turn on the water pumps if we detect the water through the sensors, if or no. Finally, we are going to use maybe 2 powers. The first one, charger around 3 volts, 4.5 volts, 6 volts, etc. And 0 to 1 ampere. Or maybe we are going to use a switch mod power supply, 12 to 5 amperes, to energize the water pumps just the water pumps, and the charger just to energize the filter cell. Now, and finally, we have the AGUA process that starts in this part, in a carving. Now, if a sensor doesn't detect anything in this part and in this part, send a signal to the master, in this case, Arduino or Arduino Mega. After send a signal to the relays to turn on the first water pump. Then the water pump is draining the water to the first closed system that is going to present the water to 8 Celsius. Then the same water pump is draining the water to the second closed system to heat the water to 50 Celsius. Then the gases make it in this part is going to free through a little filter just to gas. Now, if for example there is a senior or everything and pushes the button, for example, if I push one button, 1 liter of water to 10 Celsius, it's going to send a signal to the second water pump through the water hose to our second closed system to heat the water just 2 degrees, and after that give us the water. Now, as you can see in this part is the water, the cold water after is through the water hose to the second system, and after give us the hot water. Right? Now, as you can see in this part, we have the first water pump that is draining the water to the both closed systems. Here is the second one, the second water pump and the third water pump, both to the output. Now we have a 40 water pump to retro. Now in this part we have first closed system and the second closed system. You can see we can control it through the thermostat or Arduino Mega. Then we have fourth water pump to drain the water to the cold water to heat the water, and then give the hot water after. Our process is in automation. Is fixed because we can change the program to do other things. This process is just in one direction, so we can change it.